Your Tesla Model S battery is crucial to its performance and range. Monitoring its health helps you understand its degradation, optimize charging habits, and predict its lifespan. This tutorial covers three key methods: range estimation, diagnostic scans, and service mode. Regular checks can also improve resale value and prevent unexpected issues. As of 2026, Tesla's advanced battery management systems provide real-time data, making it easier than ever to stay informed. The simplest method to check your Tesla Model S battery health is through range estimation using your vehicle's center screen and the Tesla app. Start by navigating to the Energy tab on your Tesla's center screen. This tab provides live data about your battery status. In the Energy tab, you can view live range estimates and your current battery percentage, giving you an immediate sense of your battery's state. Next, navigate to Controls, then Software, and select Additional Vehicle Info to access detailed battery data. Look for battery energy remaining and battery capacity figures. These show your current battery's stored energy and total capacity. Compare these figures to your battery pack's original specifications. For example, a 100 kilowatt-hour pack might show around 85 kilowatt-hours after several years of use. This simple comparison provides a quick overview of potential capacity loss from battery degradation over time. For a deeper dive into your Tesla Model S battery health, use an OBD2 scanner. Connect it to the port located under the driver's side dashboard. Apps like Tesla Scan or other third-party tools can read diagnostic trouble codes related to the battery management system. These codes can indicate specific issues, such as cell imbalances or thermal management problems. While interpreting these codes may require some technical knowledge, they provide valuable insight into your battery's condition. Be sure to research the specific codes provided by the scanner for accurate diagnosis. Service mode offers the most comprehensive data directly from the car's systems. To enter service mode, 1. Park the car. 2. Press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 5 seconds. 3. When the menu pops up, select Service. Within Service mode, navigate to the battery menu for voltage histograms, cell temperatures, and other detailed diagnostics. The Trip section provides efficiency logs. To exit, hold both scroll wheels again. Be cautious, as making changes in this mode can affect vehicle performance. Battery health in your Tesla Model S is measured through several key metrics that help you understand how well your battery is performing and aging over time. State of health, or SOH, measures the overall capacity of your battery compared to when it was new, typically starting at 100%. It also accounts for internal resistance, which affects charging speed. This metric degrades over time due to charge cycles and temperature exposure. State of charge, or SAW-C, shows how much energy is currently stored in your battery as a percentage. This directly impacts your driving range and helps the vehicle decide when to charge or how to manage power distribution. Range estimation is calculated based on the EPA-rated efficiency of your Model S, then adjusted for factors like your driving style, current weather conditions, and the battery's age. This gives you a realistic prediction of how far you can drive. Several factors contribute to battery degradation, including the number of charge and discharge cycles, exposure to extreme temperatures, and how deeply you discharge the battery. High temperatures, in particular, can cause rapid capacity loss and affect battery chemistry. Balanced cell use is crucial for maintaining battery health by ensuring all cells wear evenly, preventing hotspots and uneven degradation. A healthy battery maintains consistent performance over time and avoids rapid capacity loss. By understanding and monitoring these key battery health metrics, you can better maintain and optimize the performance of your Tesla Model S over its lifetime. After gathering data from the app, scans, or service mode, interpret the results carefully. A significant decrease in range or capacity compared to the original specs indicates degradation. DTCs from OBD2 scans highlight potential faults. High cell temperatures or voltage imbalances in service mode suggest thermal management issues. Compare your findings to typical degradation rates of 2 to 4% annually for post-2020 models. If you notice concerning trends, consider consulting a Tesla service center. Here are several strategies to maintain optimal battery health in your Tesla Model S. First, avoid extreme charging habits. Frequent supercharging or allowing the battery to sit at 0% or 100% for extended periods can accelerate degradation. Instead, aim for partial charges between 20% and 80% when possible. Second, minimize exposure to extreme temperatures. High heat can cause faster degradation, so park in shaded or indoor areas. In cold weather, use preconditioning to warm the battery before driving, which helps maintain efficiency and longevity. Third, utilize Tesla's over-the-air updates. These updates often include improvements to battery management systems, such as enhanced thermal control and degradation modeling, which can help maintain battery health over time. Fourth, regularly check your battery health using the methods from this tutorial, such as range estimation in the app, diagnostic scans, or service mode. Early detection of issues allows for timely adjustments or service, preventing further degradation. Finally, drive efficiently to maximize range and reduce strain on the battery. Use smooth acceleration, take advantage of regenerative braking, and plan routes to avoid unnecessary energy use. These habits can significantly extend battery life. By following these maintenance tips, you can help ensure your Tesla Model S battery remains healthy and efficient for many years to come. The future of EV battery health monitoring involves AI-driven predictive analytics. Tesla's OTA updates use machine learning to predict degradation, with future updates incorporating real-time adjustments. Solid-state batteries, though not yet in the Model S, promise 2-3 longevity and faster charging. Expect increased focus on battery recycling and repurposing, with Tesla partnering for grid storage programs. Regular health checks will likely tie into insurance discounts, promoting proactive maintenance. These advancements will make battery monitoring more intelligent and sustainable, ensuring longer EV lifespans and better environmental impact.